In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free blog on Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean working blog on your existing Wix site and know exactly where to manage posts, customize the layout, and start publishing. First, open your browser, go to wix.com and log in. From your dashboard, open the site you want to add a blog to. Inside the editor, look to the left-hand menu and choose Apps, then App Market. This is where you can find and add new features to your site without any coding, and it's the quickest path to a professional-looking blog. In the search bar at the top of the App Market, type Wix Blog. Select the official Wix Blog app and click Add or Install. If you see permission prompts, confirm them and give it a moment to complete the installation. Once it's done, your site gains all the essential parts of a blog automatically. Wix will create a main blog page for visitors along with supporting pages like the post list and categories. You can find these in the Pages and Menu panel in the editor. Think of the main blog page as your hub where people can browse posts, and the categories help them quickly find topics they care about. Next, head to the left sidebar and click My Business or Business Tools depending on your layout. Find Wix Blog and select Manage Blog. This opens your blog dashboard, the central place to create, edit, organize, and schedule posts. Keep this tab handy. It's where you'll do most of your writing and organizing. To add your first post, click Add New Post. Give it a clear, descriptive title, then write your content. You can add images and formatting to make it engaging, and optionally choose categories, a featured image, and tags to help with organization and discoverability. Use SaveDraft while you work and preview to see exactly how it will look to visitors before you publish. If you're migrating from another platform, check for the import option in your Wix blog panel and follow the upload steps provided. To customize the look, return to the Wix editor and click the blog page or the blog list component. You can adjust the layout, such as columns, spacing, and card styles, and update fonts and colors to match your site's branding. Take a moment to review on desktop and mobile to ensure everything reads well and looks consistent. That's it. Your free Wix blog is now live. You can add new posts anytime, and visitors can read and browse from your site's main blog page. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Wix and blogging tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your free